Sorry, vegans, you can't get all your omega-3s without meat and fish. What's up, y'all? My name is Liberty V Justice, and there's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, health legends. You're worth it. Check it out. So, I used to be a vegan, and I had a very hard time sleeping all my life. And when I became a vegan, nobody told me the things that I'm telling you. And this is not just for vegans. This is for anybody. I had insomnia. Anybody who wants help sleeping. I had insomnia from the time I was like 12 until I was like 30 something. Okay. I'm 43 now and I'm getting this down to a science, right? So I really want to help my mom and my Aunt Kathy. They have sleep problems and a lot of pain, inflammation, and things like that. And they don't know what to eat to be healthy and to sleep. So here you go. You're worth it, all right? If you like this, like it. If you don't like it anyway, dislike it, whatever. Share it with a friend, though. We really want to help people here, so share it, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. All right, so I'm going to make this short, sweet, sexy, and straight to the point. You cannot get all your omega-3s without red meat and fatty sources of fish. So the best sources of omega-3s would be salmon, mackerel, sardines, and let me read to you what I read. Eggs too. Another great source is eggs, which I eat almost every day. And I sleep like a baby almost every day, right? So omega-3s, this is from the National Health Institute website. I had to look this up just so I can make sure because Shawn Stevenson told me about, he tells everybody on his podcast, and it's called The Model Health Show. And he also has a book called Eat Smarter and Sleep Smarter. I'll put those links below. Helps me out immensely. This guy is amazing. And so we talked about it briefly in the PDF. I'll put the link so you can sign up for his website, get his PDF. And I had to go look this up. So it says omega-3 fatty acid concentration is higher in red meat, beef, lamb, and mutton than it is in white meat. So you have to get red meat because there's fiber present in the types of muscle tissues and specialized digestive systems of those animals that are the red meat, like beef and stuff, okay? Grass-fed beef would be your best source. Your second best source. Your number one source is salmon, mackerel, and sardines, okay? And then also eggs, but then grass-fed beef. So you have to have a combination of these things to get your omega-3s, and you can get all this stuff at Aldi with my Instacart, or if you can't get it in Erie, you can't get a fresh order, you can't get Whole Foods delivered, but you can get these things delivered in other states like California. I can get fresh, I can get Whole Foods. I don't recommend doing Whole Foods because a lot of times they're out of stuff. The prices are much higher, and you have to pay a $10 fee now. They changed it during the pandemic. Those bastards. It's okay. Oh my God, they killed Kenny. You bastards charging me $10 for Whole Foods. But there's some things you can get on Whole Foods that you can't get on fresh, like fresh ground almond butter or peanut butter. And also the really amazing yogurt, which is goat yogurt and sheep yogurt, which I now eat once in a while. I eat that because it's better than dairy yogurt for you. It's much better for you. But anyway, yeah, omega-3s. Sum it up. You need salmon. You can also get salmon. If you want to get salmon on Amazon Prime, use my link to get Prime, which is you can get, if you're a student, low income, you get SNAP, disabled, a veteran, thank you for your service, you can get it for half price. I'm a veteran, I get mine. It's like $5 a month for my Prime. You can use my link to get your first 30 days free and get salmon delivered, and you can get a ton of canned salmon, which I eat. It's less than $2 per can, and you only need 1 can per meal. So it's tons of protein and omega-3s, all right? So get your omega-3s. Yes, you can get them in chia seeds. Yes, you can get them in flax seeds. Yes, you can get them in what's the other one? Hemp seeds. But the best source, and you can still eat those, but the best sources are salmon, mackerel, sardines, eggs, and grass-fed beef. So make sure you eat those things if you want to sleep well, and watch the next 4 episodes. There's 4 other episodes in this playlist, because this is only one. Omega-3s are only one of the essential nutrients that you need to help you sleep. All right? Subscribe, like, share this with a friend. Please leave a comment, because I'm here to help you, and your comment can help me make the next episode. All right? You're worth it. My name is Liberty V Justice, and there's no period in my V, because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, health legends.